Hey, what's up everybody? This is Geek Abhishek and today I'm bringing you a quick tool review. This is the Tusk tire repair kit. So normally it retails for $29.99 and right now if you go over to RockyMountain ATV you can have this for $19.99, so it's $10 off. Let's see what you get here. So you get this nice bag. You have a loop in the back, so if you need to attach it to something else, you can use this loop to attach it. Let's open this up and see what's included in the kit. This zipper that goes all the way in. Okay, so what we get here are the tire plugging kit. So basically the two tire reaming kit. Then I can see there's some spare valve stems. This is the nozzle that will help you use this CO2 cartridges to fill up the tires. I see a knife. I see two scraping tools. So see the valve core remover tool. Then I see two sheets of tire plugs. Then I see patches, different sizes. There seems like there's quite a few of them. And then I see the rubber compound, and then I see CO2 cartridges. And let me see what's in here. Okay, and then I also see manual tire gauge. So for 19 bucks, I think that's pretty good because you also get like 3 cartridges of CO2, all these patches, plugs, everything that packs neatly into a small bag. I can tell you, let's look at the size of this. So basically the size is, it's about, let's look at the inches. So it's about 6 inches by 4.5, 5 inches. So, not that big, easy to be thrown under the seat of some bikes. Maybe not a dirt bike, but if you have a road bike, you might be able to just squeeze it in, especially if you change the battery into a lithium battery. You might have enough space to actually have this under your seat, and in case you get a flat and if you have a tubeless, you should be able to plug that tire and be out of there in no time. If you have an ATV, this is also a great place to keep. So I had looked at similar other products from many different brands. The most popular one is Dynaplug. If you look at the price of that kit from Dynaplug, it's super expensive. There are a few other brands that are available on Amazon. Those were more expensive. So Tusk is the in-house brand for RockyMountain ATV. Every product that I have used from which are Tusk branded so far has never failed or disappointed me. They are good quality and they are exceptionally priced. So if you want to get the best bang for the bike, best bang for the buck, then Tusk products are one of the products that you should always consider. So now for $20, I think this is just a steal. If you don't have one of these kits, whether you need it or not, I'm telling you, if you ride, you're gonna get a flat some point. And if you don't have this kit, $20 is probably cost of one meal, and for that you will have peace of mind that you got covered, like if you ever had a flat. That's all guys. That's a pretty short review, straightforward, nothing much to it. If you like my content, if you have any questions, first of all, then leave them below. If you have any feedback, if they're positive ones, leave them below too. I will try to incorporate them in my future videos. And then since it's a small channel, I would request you to subscribe. And if you have any friends who are interested in similar motorcycle related content or electronics related content, ask them to also subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Most of these products, none of these products basically are any sponsored products. I buy them with their own money and I share my experience with you guys, so that if you are also a fellow rider, hopefully all the information that I share in these videos will help you in some way or the other. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, ride safe. Bye.